Hello everyone. Welcome to PMN Online. In this tutorial, we will learn how to highlight in Google Docs using shortcuts. If you've ever found yourself spending too much time meticulously editing documents, then this video is for you. Knowing how to efficiently use shortcuts in Google Docs can drastically reduce editing time and make your workflow much smoother, whether you're working on a school project, a business report, or just organizing personal notes. These shortcuts are true game changers, making your document work more efficient and enjoyable. So, let's jump right into it and have you mastering these time-saving tips in no time. To get started, the first thing you'll want to do is access your Google Docs. Now, most of us use Google Drive as our main hub for document management. It's the gateway to all your documents, so being able to navigate it efficiently is really important. Begin by visiting Google Drive. Once there, sign in with your email and password. Simple, right? After clicking Next, you'll be in and ready to start navigating. Remember, Google Drive doesn't only house Google Docs. It also stores your sheets, slides, and more. It's essentially your productivity center for everything related to Google's suite of Office tools. Now, once you're signed in, the next mission is to find the document you want to work on. This could mean sifting through your folders or making good use of the search bar to pinpoint the exact document you need. Google's search functionality is quite robust. It can search by document name, content, or even the person who shared it with you. This is a handy feature, especially when you're in a hurry. Now, let's get to the core of today's lesson: highlighting text using shortcuts in Google Docs. After you've opened your document, the simplest way to highlight a word or a sentence is by double-clicking it. This action selects the text, making it ready for whatever you plan to do next, like copying or formatting. But what if you need to select more than just a word or sentence? Or maybe you're looking to highlight text over multiple lines. Here's a pro tip for you. Hold down the Shift key and use the arrow keys to extend your selection. This combination gives you precise control over how much text you highlight. It's incredibly useful, especially in lengthy documents, where accuracy is essential. You can easily highlight exactly what you need without the risk of losing your selection due to an accidental click elsewhere. To briefly recap, start by accessing Google Drive and locating your document. Once inside, use double-click to quickly select specific text. When you need more control, remember that the Shift key combined with the arrow keys is your go-to method for extending your selection with precision. Mastering these shortcuts will not only save you time, but will also make your document editing process much smoother, and dare I say, even enjoyable. Hopefully this guide helped you easily learn how to highlight in Google Docs Shortcut. If you want more videos like how to highlight in Google Docs Shortcut, subscribe to our channel, PMN Online.